SAMENS keyboard lessons. This is grade A lesson 2. In our previous lesson, we learned about so many methods of teaching music. We learned about the solfege naming convention, English and Dutch naming convention, numbering system, and the Roman numeral system. Today we are starting with English and Dutch naming convention, and we are using it to treat keys. We are using it to treat keys. Now, take note that earlier on I told you about the 12 notes that we have, which were the chromatic notes. But because we are doing keys, it becomes chromatic keys. Now, chromatic keys can be separated into two. One, we have the natural keys, and two, we have accidental keys. What you are going to do in this very lesson will be based on the natural keys. Now, the natural keys start from A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. On the keyboard that we are going to use, that's PSM E463 Yamaha. The natural key starts from C on this very keyboard. So you start from C, and from C you go to where? Come to D, E, F, G. It should be 7. We have 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From G, then we come up to A. There's nothing like H. A. Then we end at B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is the natural keys. Let's now go on the keyboard as I display it to you. As I said, we have the natural keys, and on this very keyboard it starts from C. It starts from C. So if here is C, here becomes D. It's just like reciting normal ABCD. From C we go to D, E, F, G, A, B. Remember it ends at B when we start from C. So it will be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And we start again. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. C, D, E, F, G, so it repeats itself. You have to take note of that. But how are we going to master it out? You have to take your time. You don't have to rush on the natural keys. So you take 2 notes and let your focus be on those very 2 notes. The first note is C, and the second note is F. In front of every 2 black notes, we have C. So these 2 black notes, in front of it we have C. 2 black, we have C. We have C. We have C. Take note that we are going to rehearse. So you take your time, repeat all C for about 3 to 5 minutes. By doing that, it means you are doing rehearsal on it. You repeat all C for about 3 to 5 minutes until you are sure that you can now identify C. Then you come to the next one, which is F. If you want to tell we have F. So F, 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 F. You repeat F for the same 3 to 5 minutes. Now you have 2 now. So I'm sure that as we C and F, you know it now. Then you take one of them. You take C. In front of C we have D. And at the back of C we have B. In front of C is D. And at the back of C is B. Okay. So you take your time, rehearse it. Since you know in front of C is D, you take D. Repeat all D. For the same time period I talk about, that is 3 minutes. Then you come to at the back of C, which is P. You repeat that one also. So now we have 4 on our mind now. We have C, which we did first. Then we come to F. We repeat all F. Then we come to D, which is in front of C. Repeat it. Then lastly we come to B. Repeat it. We have 4 now. It is 7. Let's proceed to the next ones. When you take F also, in front of F is G. You do it the same way, in front of F is G. Repeat it for 3 minutes. Then at the back of F is E. That one you repeat it for 3 minutes. Now we have 6. We have C, we have F, we have D. Repeat all D. You come to the back of C, you have P. You come to in front of F is G. Take note, there's the natural notes we are playing. Lastly, we have G. We have 6 now, it's left with 1, that is A. When we take G, in front of G is A. In front of G is A. So, whenever you see G in front of is A, repeat all A. If here is A, A, in that manner. If you take your time, I think you'll be able to grasp this way. Take a note, relax, make sure you have taken your time, as I said, to get it right. If you are not able to get the natural keys right, there is no way you will understand the next lesson on accidental keys. So that is it for the natural keys. Let's go to lesson 3 as we do the accidental.